Yun, no? Alright, hello!
Okay, game. What's up, guys? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, tech, and wow! Look at that! Wow!
And a cat! Buhay ka pa naman, no?
Buhay pa naman ako.
Buhay pa naman. Okay.
Game na.
Good.
Hi, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Yung pusa rin si Cleo, sinubukan namin siya isama sa vlog. She's our new Sphinx, pero obviously hindi gumana.
Ayun, parang ayaw talaga niya, no?
Ayaw talaga.
Sorry, camera shy siya.
Camera shy siya.
Okay.
Nanginginig yung
Ay,
ano.
sorry. Oh,
So
camera shy siya.
today, unbox kami ng 4 sneakers. 4. So, 4 talaga na sneakers yan. Sobrang ganda,
Yeah.
sobrang panalo, sobrang pinagpilahan, in fact.
Yep, exactly.
Di ba, pinagkakaguluhan siya sa Commonwealth, no? So, Commonwealth has a new store. Pumila si Colin.
Yep, I was there at around 8 or maybe more, before 8 pa yata sa Rockwell. So ito yung newest store ni Commonwealth. And
Sobrang
to be fair,
ganda.
ang laki.
Sobrang ganda.
It's one of the, I think it's
One
their
of the
biggest.
best and one of the nicest sneaker stores I've ever seen.
That's true. That's
As
true.
in, really, kudos to the team that
Yeah.
put together the designers. Panalo.
Actually.
Okay, ngayon bago kayo magreklamo na walang giveaway, walang nangyaring giveaway, wala lang po akong oras pero para gawin yung video.
Okay.
Pero ito yung giveaway, yan o, announce ko sa Monday kung paano yung pwedeng panalunan to.
Yeah.
This is a brand new Adidas ZX500RM triple white.
Whoa.
Triple white. Brand new yan, size 10, hindi size 12, hindi Bigfoot. So Monday, announce kay mechanics. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you guys hit the notification bell so pwede kayo masali sa giveaway. So Master Sifu, mag-unbox na tayo.
Alright. So the first na i-unbox natin, pinagkailangan talaga ng mga tao. This is the
Pharrell Williams.
Billionaire Boys Club
Wah.
na NMD, right?
So as you guys see, it's your typical Pharrell Williams box. Diba? Halos lahat
yung
naman
human
ng-
box na ano, yeah.
Lahat naman, marami na tayo na buksan na ganito eh.
Yeah.
So, lahat ng mga Pharrell Williams, ganyan yung itsura.
Yeah.
May nangyayaring Illuminati. Di ba? May triangle, may
Yeah,
U.
may hue, yeah.
Tapos, BBC, NMD.
Yeah.
Yan. So, buksan na natin siya. Huwag natin patagalin. Walang super special sa actual box eh, no?
Wala naman.
Diretso ka na kagad sa wrapper. Tapos,
Yep.
ito na guys. This is the shoe.
What I do appreciate is the extra lace. Ang ganda ng yellow.
Yung yellow
To
actually.
be fair, parang mas magandang i-release siya with the yellow one than
Then
the white.
one.
Yeah.
So, as you guys can see, this is the shoe. Yung isang ng sapatos nakalagay, mind. Tapos yung isang sapatos nakalagay, heart.
Diba? So,
Tapos nasa likod niya, yung Billionaires Boys.
mind heart na, hindi nakalagay mind heart. Sorry.
Hindi. Nandiyan yung Adidas logo. Nandiyan yung
BBC logo.
Billionaires Boys Club
Yeah.
logo.
Yeah.
BBC, by the way, narinig ko kasi kanina sa Commonwealth, hindi po yan yung news channel. Diba? So,
May nagtanong ba?
May narinig ako na may BBC, yung news.
Yung news,
Hindi po.
Okay, it's not.
Baka Colin, baka gusto mo sila kwentuhan ko ng BBC.
It's a spin-off designer group by Pharrell Williams and Japanese designer Nico, I don't know how to pronounce his name.
Siya rin ang designer ng Bape.
Siya, basically started Bape. So kaya, if you're into the designers of those, actually I really wanted this particularly because of the connection with the Bape connection. Unfortunately, nung dumating na ako, nung nakapasok na ako at nila ako ng 8, nakapasok ako ng mga 3:30.
Wala na yung size.
Wala na yung size ko.
Okay, so guys, yun yung una. This is the Pharrell Williams
Yeah.
BBC, Billionaire Boys Club NMD. So yung next na bubuksan namin, actually, nakakuha ka ba nito? Hindi, si Dewey.
Ano yan? Hindi, ayan, nakakuha ko yan.
Nakakuha ka din. Okay, so si Colin was able to pick one
Yes.
up as well as Dewey. This, of course, is the Nike Element React 87. One of the most hyped sneakers for the year.
That's true. Yung in terms of silhouette niya, when the OG came out, as in, boom.
Yeah, the
Tindi na lang
prices were crazy.
Yeah, well, I mean, more than that, it's the clamor for the React 87 eh. And ang pinaka gusto ko talaga dito is, to be fair, I was able to get one. I think a lot of other people were able to get their pair as well. As in, ang daming stock ni Commonwealth of the 87. They knew that people were really looking forward to it and were really looking to get it.
Okay, so buksan na natin. So it comes in your typical red Nike box, and
Yes.
then yung swoosh logo. Buksan natin. Wala naman masyadong nangyayari dito eh. So, ito na yung actual shoe.
Here we go.
So, ayun no. Tingnan natin guys. So kung makikita ninyo, yan yung translucent upper na sinasabi ni Colin kanina.
Yeah.
See-through po ang ibig sabihin ng translucent.
Yeah.
Spell translucent.
With a T.
Patay tayo dyan.
With a T.
With the T. So
Diba?
again, ayun, hindi pala nila makita yung pagka-translucent.
Yan,
So
okay.
yan. So nakikita ninyo yun, yung daliri ko. Yun, oh! So translucent talaga siya.
Yeah, translucent upper.
So yung nice thing about this of course is you have the React midsole na sobrang komportable.
Yeah.
Meron ako nung Nike Epic React Flyknit, meron ako nung...
May 55 ka ba?
Oh, meron din ako ng 55. Hindi ko pa ina-unbox yung isa ko pang colorway. Unbox ko, gawa ko ng comparison soon. Pero sobrang comfortable siya. And yung main difference lang actually with the 55, at least from what I've seen so far, is
It's
the
the
translucent upper.
yeah.
And yun nga, yung napansin mo,
Yung cork na, na insole.
insole. Yung insole niya, yan siya guys.
Yan.
Cork.
So,
Spell cork.
C. Pero ano yung cork? Ito yung sa ano, di ba? Sa wine minsan.
Sa wine.
Yeah,
sa
yan,
wine.
mga ganyan.
Okay. So ito, this one, we expect more colorways of this. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa the other day, kung hindi kayo nakakuha nito, okay lang. Kasi maraming ilalabas Nike na ganito.
Yeah, or if you're not happy with the colorway, wag niyong pilitin sarili niyo to get it para parang di mo, kailangan ko makuha to kasi, di ba, napaka-hype eh. Tama ka. I think Nike will be releasing a lot of this and a lot of the colorways as well.
Okay, so that's number 2. We take a quick break from the sneaker unboxing to unbox the most sophisticated, most elegant, most nice-looking Luxe Premium shoe tree ever made. This is the Crep Protect Trees. Hindi po to sponsored, pinagtitripan lang namin.
Parang
Diba?
Vanna White, gumagano ba?
Tingnan natin. So guys, alam niyo yung mga shoe tree, di ba? Yun yung linalagay sa sapatos. Usually, bakal lang yun.
Okay.
Ito, may nangyayaring velvet. Velvet ba
Uy.
yan? O basta kakaiba oh.
Yep.
Tapos may gintong nakalagay na
Crepe.
crepe.
Okay. And it also comes with two pairs, di ba?
So 695 pesos, 2 piraso. Tapos pati yung dulo niya velvet. So malandi siya. So kung gusto niyo yung malanding shoe tree,
Pagkano
ito yung kailangan yung bilhin. From ayun oh, tapos may tunog.
Yeah.
Kung naghahanap kayo ng premium Luxe Soul Tree. Tama, Soul Tree.
Soul Tree.
Hindi Soul Tree, Shoe Tree.
Shoe tree. Soul tree. Sorry.
Tingnan ninyo ang Crep Protect 3. Ang pangatlong sneaker natin guys, meron pa tayo. This is the Nike...
Is that the Cortez?
Cortez Kenny
Oh, the Kenny,
4.
yeah.
Okay, kay Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
Okay, so buksan natin siya. Meron ka bang history bago ko ito buksan? Master Sifu?
Si Kendrick Lamar, di ba? Musician siya. Yun lang yung alam ko.
Buksan na natin ang sapatos, mga kaibigan. So, it's your typical black Nike box.
Yep.
So, kailangan natin ito ihatakin pataas.
Okay.
So, wala naman picture ni Kendrick Lamar.
Sana naman.
So, walang mga pose. Uy, ang gwapo pala, oh. Ganda rin siya in person. So, guys, this is it. This is the Kendrick Lamar Nike Cortez house shoes. So, kung makikita ninyo siya, nakasulat talaga, literally, house shoes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Tapos kaya siya ganyan, kasi nung ginawa daw nila to, parang inisip nila, para siyang lounge shoes. Yung lounging shoes,
Okay.
yung nasa bahay ka lang, tapos gusto mo magsapatos.
Alright.
Or nasa, wherever, pa-relax ka lang, ito yun. So, it's a little bit wider and a little bigger for the Cortez, kasi usually yung Cortez is very narrow eh.
Yeah. So,
So-
hindi siya ganun ka-narrow.
Well, yung midfoot niya medyo narrow pa rin, pero
Yeah.
mas plush tsaka mas malaki yung area niya in the middle.
Yeah.
So you can imagine it better for wide foot people.
I see.
Tapos yun lang, wala naman sobrang kakaiba sa kanya apart from it's very plush, very padded, and at the same time, yun nga, it's really the style statement that it makes
Yeah.
na nakalagay dyan, house shoes.
And this is the interesting part with this, no? We thought actually that this is going to sit. Unfortunately, ito yung unang nawala. Ito
Kasi siya yung pinakamura eh.
Siya yung pinakamura nga. So, by around, I think, lunchtime or maybe 1 p.m., wala nang, or halos kokonti na lang yung Cortez. Looking for that, if you're looking for one, I'm pretty sure you can find one online.
Okay, so yung last na bubuksan natin, ito yata yung pinaka-unhype na sneakers na binili ko. So, galing din tong Commonwealth. This is the
ASICS Tiger.
ASICS Tiger Gel Mai.
ASICS Tiger Gel Mai.
Gel Mai, yun yung pangalan niya. Gel Mai. So, hindi ko alam ano yung history, hindi ko pa na-research. Abangan nyo na lang sa actual review. Pero kaya ako siya binili kasi sobrang kakaiba. You rarely see sneakers that look very, very distinct and different. And this is what it looks like. Now, initially, it looks like your typical black running sneaker, but it has like Japanese characters running along the middle. And meron siyang parang mga, hindi ko naiintindihang lace, oh.
Yeah.
Nakita nyo ba yan? Parang plastic tube that goes around the sneaker. So kakaiba talaga siya eh. So hindi ko naiintindihan para saan. Nakita mo?
Baka for support. Para for added support.
Siguro. So yun, hindi ko naiintindihan kung para saan. So alamin natin yan. Abangan nyo yun.
But okay, in all honesty, it does look very interesting. I love the Japanese text running through it. So,
Kahit di pa natin alam ano ibig sabihin.
Random Japanese text, cool yun.
No, cool ka.
Parang anime na hindi, di ba? Parang ganun.
So may color white din to. So available siya ngayon over at
Commonwealth. Actually, just to add lang on what you could have actually copped sa Commonwealth kanina, ang dami mga hype sneakers. They didn't mention it. Walang posts about it, but actually may mga Yeezys nung time na yun. They were 700. The 500 blush were there.
The 350 boost.
The 350 boost na zebra nandun. And then, to be fair, like when the BBC for my size was sold out, I was still able to cop a solar hue na Pharrell.
Na empower,
inspire. So parang, these are old collections eh. It's still here. Diba? Ang dami. To be fair, ang dami pa mga stuff.
Ang dami nilang tinago para surprise.
Juice Racer, I think, NMD is still there. Ano pa ba?
Yeah. Undefeated Profeer.
Undefeated Profeer, yeah.
So kung hindi niyo pa napapanood yung vlog ko about that, yung parang look into the store, put a link down below para pampanoodin nyo. Okay guys, so yun lang yung vlog na to. Ginawa lang namin to para mabilis, para may mapakita kami sa inyo. Watch out for the next few vlogs that will come, including my announcement for a giveaway for the Adidas ZX500 Remastered. Maraming salamat, Master Sifu, sa pagsama sa atin today.
Thank you. Pwede na ako matulog.
Pwede na siya matulog dahil hindi siya natulog dahil pumila siya sa Commonwealth.
Yes.
Peace. What's up?